What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video we're going to do the review and unboxing of this anti-theft video doorbell bracket, how it basically looks. So it comes in this box right here, as you can see right here, looking something like this. So you can place your video doorbell inside, just like so. As you can see, you can place it inside, pretty neat. We have some screws that we can use to mount it, bracket as well that we can basically install. So we can basically slide this part right here into this right like so. So as you can see guys, and here we have 5 screws. We have 1 screw right here, and these are 4 screws. So I'm just gonna put these small screw, as you can see, inside right here. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to install this on your door right here. So this is the door right here. So this part will face outwards, so we can put it on our door like this. So no drills required. So basically what you can do, this part right here, we have to put this part on the inside, which basically gonna clamp on the door like so. So we're gonna push our screw through. Make sure we screw it through. As you can see guys, we have this tighten up right here, so you're looking something like this, and the door right here inside. So this is the doorbell, which is gonna be on the outside right here. So you're looking something like this. See guys, looking pretty neat. Keep well protected inside right here on the door, as you can see.